Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to automatically set date and time in OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, find the additional settings. Okay, click additional settings. And okay guys, here in additional settings, okay, you can see the date and time. Okay, you'll have to do is click date and time. And okay guys, here in date and time, okay, you can see the automatically set date and time. And okay guys, on the right side, okay, you can see the switch button. So okay guys, to enable or to turn on the automatically set date and time, is click the switch button. And okay guys, your OPPO A5s is set automatically date and time. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.